everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a loose door handle. This will be an easy tutorial for tightening a doorknob. Let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this door handle right here and it is quite loose. Whenever you are going to be opening the door, it's going to be quite loose. A door handle or a doorknob should be secured onto the door nice and tightly so that it doesn't wiggle and jiggle like this. If your doorknob wiggles and jiggles like this, then it's too loose. Fixing it is really easy. Now on one side of the doorknob or the door handle, you're gonna notice that it's gonna have some screws, okay? On the other side, it's not gonna have any screws, but on one side, you should be able to see some screws in almost every type of doorknob or door handle. Now in this case, I've shown you the side that has the screws. Now these screws allow this part of the doorknob to meet up with the other side of the doorknob. So all that you have to do, if you want to tighten the doorknob and fix the loose doorknob, is take a screwdriver and you want to tighten up those screws. Usually they're going to be a Phillips head screw. Now on one of them, if it's a door handle like this, you might have to move the door handle to tighten one side. If it's a doorknob, you can probably access both sides all the time. But one side you're going to tighten up. Okay, so start with the side that you don't have to move the handle for. Tighten it up till it's like, I would say 95%. You don't want to really over tighten it yet. Then move the door handle and tighten up the other one until it's just as tight, about 95%, okay? So 95%. Then what you want to do is see if it's fine in that position. In my case, it's pretty much fine. But what I always like to do is when I think that I'm done, just to make sure, because every time you do this, you're going to be potentially loosening those screws. So what I like to do is take my screwdriver and just an additional quarter of a turn on either side. When I think that it's tight enough, just a quarter of a turn. And then you're good to go. As you can see, it no longer wiggles and jiggles. The doorknob and the door handle is perfectly tightened in place. That's how to fix a loose doorknob or door handle. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.